Ooh, box of guns. Whoo, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, pirates of all ages, we are here to look in another storage unit. We're about to get started. It's like 8:30 in the morning. The sun is shining bright, and that is the way life should be. Always shine bright like a diamond. We bought this 5x5 for one reason and one reason only. It was a no sale. No one wanted to bid on it, and I was told or informed that it's been here since something like 1996. Not 100% on that date. I'm going to ask the manager as soon as I'm done here, because I'm here before the office even opened trying to get this done. Bought so many units in the last week. Not only on this day did I buy a $5 unit nobody wanted, but I also bought one of the best units of my life for $7,000, because that's how I roll. It doesn't all have to be gems and the prettiest looking thing in the world. Sometimes I just have to know the story. Why this person spent so much money on absolutely nothing, I have to know. So with that being said, let's get started and take a look. 59. Right off the bat, you look in this unit, and what do you see? You see some computer parts. You see spider webs for days. Look at those. Spider webs. This is kind of cool. It's a glass jar. That's 15 bucks at least. But you want to ask yourself, okay, they've been here for 20 something years. Why do they spend all this money? And this is what it looks like. I have no idea. But we are going to find out right now. Yes. Pathways. Tina Benson. Tina Benson. I have to look that up. Just out of curiosity, see what that might be worth. Tiger's Nest Publishing. Thank you for your order. I had to stop. Something happened. Some family emergencies came up. We're back. We're going to get started on this unit. First thing that comes to my mind now that I'm looking at this is, why were these two locks right here? These are what they use when people, I think these are when they're about to sell a unit. They put these on the doors, and these are public storage locks. Why would they be in this unit? It makes no sense. It's a nice bottle there. Sparklets. That's at least 15 bucks right there. Let's see what we got in this box here. Maps, the easy way, modern commercial aircraft. Airframe and power plants mechanics. 747. Those look like some cool stuff actually. Takeoff speeds and landings. That could be worth some money. ETOPS policy and procedures. United Airlines books. That's a eBayable book price of $5. More of these religious tapes that I gotta look up. That's an interesting little piece there. Kickboxing maybe. Nice, fun. Pro Racing, Tyco Pro. It's empty. Sad. Could have guessed. Monopoly. Quite cheesy, sorry. This is kind of cool. Cars. More cars. I'll put that in that box. Is that an Xbox controller? Maybe. I never played Xbox. Hot Wheels battery racing. Okay, people. Tapes. Martial artists. Some form, maybe Ultimate Fighter. Interesting. I don't know if this stuff really has much sell. It feels kind of sticky and used, but we'll definitely try. This is where the bag is from. Tony Thompson's West Coast Institute of Taekwondo Association. There's something down there. Nope. Computer stuff. See, looking ugly. Go, bus, go. Is this like a Grateful Dead shirt or something, or is this just a? We got a whole box of vintage shirts. I'm gonna go through them and I'll show you the ones that I think are worth money because I don't know what's in here. But this gives me a little hope right now. So I found a Hard Rock Cafe Acapulco shirt and another Acapulco shirt, which I feel like it's the universe telling me, go to Acapulco. Been wanting to go somewhere in my life. Got a vintage Bugle Boys shirt, Nautica jeans, 2005 Boys and Girls Club shirt. Then I got this put something exciting between your legs Harley Davidson shirt. That's pretty nice. This one here. And of course this shirt I just showed you, which I have no idea what it goes to, but I'm gonna have to have those looked at. We'll go through that and thin it out a little bit real quick. Found this North Face looking jacket. Is there something in there? Oh, there'll be money. ID holder. And then I found this Acapulco, Mexico shirt. Another Acapulco, Mexico shirt. Come on. I think that's the universe saying, Mexico. Look at that right there. That is everything. Seeing is believing. Everything I believe in stands around this statement. As frustrating as it could be, I've been trying to manifest something solid for 3 years almost. A little more than 3 years. 100% trying. I fail every day at it, and yet I keep seeing and believing it's possible and trying for the same goal. I love words of wisdom when they come in a storage unit. Just like poof, everything you need to hear is on your mind, what you're thinking about right now, and then there are the words. Anybody out there, if you're ever doing anything and you want something so bad, don't give up. As much as it hurts to fail, to be rejected, to not succeed at what you're doing, please keep believing and trying and live with no regrets. Back to what I'm doing here. This unit's looking like a bunch of books. Yep, I bought books. Yay, you got books. We'll keep plugging along here, see if there's anything cool for y'all to look at. Some nice CDs here. Not bad at all. That's gotta be at least 30 bucks in CDs, because these are all good selling CDs. Ones people can give me $1 each for. HW Lab Debug, MAC address, ePod cop. JTAG debugger. I don't have any clue in the whole wide world what that is for. CDs. Maybe. Huh, it's kind of vintage. Not well taken care of, as you can see. Huh. Oh well. Alright, so we got some boxing gloves here. A little bit of mold in there. We don't want to touch those. Mold spores. I don't know if I can even sell those. We got some VCR tapes. It's really starting to make sense here. And some wires. Yay! So, what's left in this unit to go through is really pretty much nothing. I'm not gonna sit here and go through it all individually, piece by piece. It's a lot of books, a little bit of wires, some junk. Started off to be kind of cool. And that is what these people spent money on for years and years and years. Real quick, we're gonna go in the office, double check with the manager, and make sure that I'm not tripping, but I think she said 96. But even if it was like 2010, that's a lot of money. Gotta come back and get the rest of this book for tomorrow because too much weight to drive out there with when I already have a huge load for the flea market. So we're gonna split the books up half and half. So yeah, let's go talk to the manager. Before we went in to talk to the manager, we had to finish up and get one less little trip out of this $7,000 unit. We're almost done moving it so we can finish and start putting the videos up. So much stuff left. Ooh, box of guns. If you wanna see what's in this unit, I want you to comment below right now. I'm ready to see this unit, Pirates. Stop making us wait, you tease. So I wasn't able to go in and actually film talking to the manager, but the unit has been there since 96. And if you do the math at an average of $100, because that's what a 5x5 of that nature is going to cost after many years. So you got to figure they spent about $38,400 on this 5x5. And as you can see, there was nothing in there. So like I always say, nothing adventured, nothing gained. Wouldn't have known if we didn't swing the bat. So on to the next one.